To start off with, I've got 4 cups of rice bubbles, a cup of desiccated coconut, a cup of sugar, and 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder in a large mixing bowl. I'm also melting 250 grams of copha. So the trick is with this copha is not to overheat it or boil it, because you'll ruin it otherwise. And then we mix it up. I've pre-mixed all the dry ingredients, and then we pour all that in, and then mix it up. So when you're mixing up the copha and the dry ingredients, you got to work quickly, but you also got to make sure that it's all like this dark brown rather than the light brown of the dry cocoa. And then you put them into the patty cases, and then whack them in the fridge.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, so our chocolate crackles have been sitting in the fridge. You usually give them about an hour, but I've had them in for just over an hour. Let's give them a try.